Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to London, a city that seamlessly blends history and modernity. I'm so excited to be your guide on this whirlwind two-day adventure through one of Europe's most captivating capitals. We are going to pack a lot into 48 hours. From iconic landmarks like Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament to the charming streets of Covent Garden, we'll experience the very best of London. Get ready for world-class museums, lush parks, and of course, that irresistible British charm. So grab your walking shoes, your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the heart of London. We begin our London adventure in the historic Westminster district, home to some of the most recognisable landmarks in the world. First up, Big Ben, officially known as Elizabeth Tower. This iconic clock tower is a must-see for any visitor. Next, the Houses of Parliament, a Victorian Gothic masterpiece. Imagine the centuries of history within those walls. Stroll across Westminster Bridge for views of the Thames, Big Ben and the London Eye. A picture-perfect start to your London journey. Just a stone's throw from the grandeur of Parliament, we find a peaceful oasis, St James's Park. This royal park is a green gem in the heart of London, perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic lunch. As you wander the park's paths, keep an eye out for the resident pelicans. These unusual birds were gifted to the park centuries ago and have become a beloved tradition. You might even catch a glimpse of Buckingham Palace from the park's edge. St James's Park is a testament to the city's ability to balance its bustling energy with moments of tranquility. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds for a bit and soak up the serenity of nature. No trip to London is complete without a visit to the world-renowned British Museum. Home to an astounding collection of artifacts, this museum offers a fascinating journey through human history. Marvel at the Rosetta Stone and unlock the secrets of ancient Egypt. Explore the Elgin marbles from the Parthenon in Greece. The British Museum is a place to get lost in the stories of humanity. With so much to see, it's easy to spend an entire day here. Prioritize the exhibits that interest you most. Don't forget the museum's free guided tours. As evening descends, we head to Covent Garden, a vibrant district known for its street performers, charming shops, and historic market. This is a place to indulge your senses and soak up the lively atmosphere. Watch in awe as talented musicians, magicians, and living statues entertain the crowds in Covent Garden Piazza. Explore the market's stalls, offering everything from handmade crafts to delicious treats. And don't forget to pop into one of the many tempting pubs for a traditional British dinner. Covent Garden is London at its liveliest. Whether you're looking for unique souvenirs, a pre-theatre meal, or simply an evening of entertainment, this neighbourhood has something for everyone. For an unforgettable end to your first day in London, head to the south bank of the Thames and the iconic London Eye. Step into one of the Eye's glass capsules and be lifted 135 metres above the city. Take in the breathtaking views of London's skyline. Spot landmarks like Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament and St Paul's Cathedral. The London Eye is more than just a Ferris wheel. It's a symbol of modern London. There you have it, 2 incredible days spent exploring the highlights of London. We've wandered through history, embraced the arts, and experienced the city's vibrant energy. But London's story doesn't end here. There are countless other neighbourhoods to explore, museums to discover, and hidden gems to uncover. I hope this itinerary inspires you to return and experience even more of this captivating city. Remember to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, safe and happy travels.